Stop criticizing and beating yourself up. I did this for so many years. I was only thinking about what went wrong, what I should have done better, and always criticizing myself. What's this actually telling you? Well, first of all, if you criticize yourself on repeat, this is when your self-worth, your self-doubt, your self-esteem, your self-trust will drop consistently, will be drastically. Because what actually happens, the way our brain works, every single thought that we have, as it's on repeat, then your brain will say like, oh yeah, that's the evidence. If you are thinking a certain thing about yourself multiple times, then that's a fact. That's evidence that it's true. Even if it is or it's not, it's what you are making out of it. So that's the reason why your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and fiction. That's why you can really trick your brain. It's all about what you're thinking. Because you have a thought, like for example, sabotaging yourself or criticizing yourself, and then this goes into a feeling. So honestly, do you really critique your best friend or the person that you love the most? Do you speak with the loved ones the same as you speak with yourself? I guarantee you don't do that. So why are you doing it to yourself? You are the one who should love yourself more than anything in this world. Nobody will do that unless you do that for you. That's really easy. So stop criticizing yourself, because the thoughts will go into a feeling. You're gonna start feeling rubbish about you. You're gonna start believing that you are not good enough. You're gonna start believing that you cannot make things happen, that all of those things. And that feeling goes into an action. And this is gonna be your behavior, because we act based on what we feel. And guess what? From those actions, from those behaviors, you have your results. And here you are. Your current life at the moment is based on your actions, your emotions, and the way of your thinking. It's that simple. It's super simple. So what can you do? First, look and observe the way you speak with yourself. The power of using words to help you instead of sabotaging you and destroying you, it's huge. Honestly, pay close attention to how do you speak with yourself. And every single time when you find yourself saying something naughty, nasty, and horrible about yourself, you stop that thought straight away. This is not me. That's it. What I made, what really worked for me, it was a jar. I was putting those negative things that I was telling about myself when I was criticizing myself into a jar. So what that means, that jar, it was a transparent jar, so I could see it. So it's not like I'm ignoring it. It's not like I'm pretending it's not there. No, I saw me saying something bad about myself. I put it into a jar. It's there, but I choose not to let affecting me. So I choose to separate myself from that thought. I separate myself from that perspective, because now I'm creating a wealth identity. Now I create something better in my life. And this new version of me is no longer tolerating all the rubbish and all the things I was telling about myself, that they will honestly destroying me, my self-esteem, my self-trust, my self-worth. I no longer do that. And that was the exercise that really changed my life. Slowly. It didn't happen overnight, but if you do it, I guarantee things will change. Instead of criticizing yourself, start talking nicely about yourself. Start seeing the good things you are doing. It's just a choice. What you choose to focus your attention on. Either on the criticizing part or empowering yourself. Positive talk. Yeah? So yes, start counting the blessing in your lives and see how amazing and incredible you are. And I'm telling you, things can really change. Write in the comments wealth and let's start a conversation, because I can really help you to interrupt those patterns, to really understand exactly what's going on, how you sabotage yourself, what actually you do, and you are destroying your success. And we can truly make a change for real, because once we interrupt those patterns, then they will be permanent, and then we can really create a new neural path for you with a personalized action plan based on your needs and your desires, so you can truly start creating the life that you want, instead of being unhappy and complaining about your income and complaining about the life that you have at the moment. And it's very, very easy and simple to do. You don't need years of therapy or coaching. We can do that super easy, super quick. And I can't wait to really see your results, because I know that you have full potential. I know that you can do incredible things that you never even think about. So yes, I believe in you. Write in the comments if this is you and you feel that this is what you want to do. Let's do it together. Have a blessed day.